Namaskar. Step by step, we are moving forward in understanding the concept of Astro Vastu. How does it work in our life and how can we make our life better with the use of Astro Vastu? Let's see what new we have to understand today. Today we are going to talk about 5 basic elements. Panch Tattva, the elements which create the whole universe. We are made up of 5 elements, and these are space, water, air, fire, and earth. Space is also represented as metal, and air is represented as wood. Now we will understand that how these 5 elements are having a relation with each other. Are they supporting each other or are they acting against each other? There are certain elements that support the other one while other does not. Let us see how it works. Space element, that is metal, it supports water element. Water supports air, or you can say wood. Air supports fire and fire supports earth. And earth supports again the space. Let's try to understand this with an example. Let's talk about fire element. Who is supporting fire? Definitely it's air. If you stop the air, the fire will also stop. So air is a supporter of fire. Air is also represented as wood. So definitely wood is required to burn it into a fire. So this air element is actually a creator or supporter of the fire element. So when we talk about a creation cycle, fire is creating earth. Earth is represented by ashes. So fire burns to give ashes. In a way, ashes is being created by fire element. If we compile the ashes together and solidify it, it converts into metal. So ashes solidifies to metal. We can say earth is creating the metal, or earth is a supporter of metal. As you can see, the creation cycle, metal melts to create water, water nourishes a wood, wood burns to create fire, fire burns to ashes, and ashes they hardens to create a metal. So this is actually known as a creation cycle when we talk in terms of Vastu Shastra. Also, we very well know that each zone or each elemental zone is represented by a certain direction. What are those directions? West is creating north, north is creating east, east is creating south, south is creating southwest, and southwest is creating west. And how come we reached this conclusion in relation to elements and the direction? This we have already discussed in our previous lessons. The link is in the comment box. You can just go through for the revision and you will understand it more easily. That's all for today, and next time we are going to talk about the anti-elements, that which element is not supporting which element. Until and unless you understand the concept of supporting and non-supporting elements, you will not be able to understand the concept of Astro Vastu and Vastu in your life. So stay tuned till our next video come, and we are going to talk about anti-elements in that. Thank you.